The EP-790 Wrapstik is easy to use for high and low pallet wrapping. Out of the box, the Wrapstik comes in two parts. To begin loading your film, remove the quick release pin and the quarter turn knob with the bottom disc. Make sure to loosen the tension knob assembly as well. Slide the tube extension into the tube handle, leaving enough space for the height of your film. A good indicator is the number of holes left exposed. Then, replace the pin. Next, load your film and replace the bottom disc and quarter turn knob. Finally, tighten the tension knob assembly and you're ready to go.